Hello, today I wanted to give you a small review on the Black Stallion welding hood bib. This one, it's pretty neat. I like this one because, as you see, it's not real hard. And it also clips on. It got like some rubber clips on it. And it snaps over to the side. And once it snaps, it made the extra leather to actually go up to have the opening, so that way when you're welding, you're actually covered up. I was welding for 10 hours the other day, and I had got flash burned a couple times, so I ended up bringing a couple things in, and I was like, you know what, I seen this product on Amazon, and I was like, I'm gonna try it out. So I ordered it. Came in 3 to 5 days, and I used it, like I say, for 10 hours. It's a great product. It's not real hard. I like the way it clips on. Sometimes you always worried about the Velcro coming off. They had some with Velcro, but the Velcro will get old and come off. But this, it's got a real tight fit and snug. It really clips on to the welding hood. So I think this is really cool. For those who don't know, I don't get any type of sponsorship from Black Stallion, but I am a welder, so I like to sponsor good welding products for welding students who are actually getting started. So for those who are getting started, I hate for them to spend money on things that they don't need. But when you're doing any tag team welding, or you're welding around an environment where there's other people around and you can get flash burn, or if you're welding on some MIG welding or post MIG that's got 200 amps or more, 200, 250 amps, 300 amps, it's real bright. And you can tend to get flash burn, kind of like sunscreen. Some people wear sunscreen to kind of protect them a little bit, but having this bib on it really helps. It looks like it's about 3 to 4 inches, maybe 5 in the front, and it works great. I'm not gonna lie, it works great. So when I'm welding, I haven't been getting any flash burns from the side. So that's one thing I like. So I think this is a real good product. I actually ordered another product we're going to try. I haven't got it in the mail yet, but once it's in, I'm going to try it out. And I like to try it out and see how I feel about the product before I even give a review on it. But I really do think this is a good welding review. So it does get the hog on stamp. So I got to say this was a great welding product. And if you're a beginning welder or a seasoned welder and you're in the field, this might be a good welding product for you if you do any tag team welding or you're around other people welding, and to kind of protect yourself from getting burned. Hog on.